Hi, welcome back to Living with Colors. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick dining room tour 2020. The glammed out placemats on this bar cart came from Home Goods. The ice bucket and shaker is from Ross, and the vase is from Burlington. Those flowers, I believe I picked up from Hobby Lobby. This Lazy Susan I got from Home Goods. The glasses and the candy dish came from Ross. The drink sign on the last shelf of this bar cart came from Home Goods. The glasses came from Ross as well as Home Goods. The actual bar cart itself I picked up from Ross, and those cute little napkins on the side or hand towels came from Ross. Beautiful wall art came from Burlington, and I simply love it because it marries all the colors together that's in our dining room. The white, the golds, the silvery champagne is absolutely beautiful. I created a nice simple centerpiece for the dining room table, which includes a tray that I picked up from Burlington. I simply love the neutral colors in it, as well as the floral arrangement I got from Burlington. My favorite candle right now, Strawberry Pound Cake from Bath & Body Works. And I have these beautiful glammed out goblets that I got from Burlington. This beautiful square table I got from Wayfair a few years ago. The placemats I picked up from Ross. Those charger plates I picked up from Michael's. The napkins came from Old Time Pottery. And the beautiful napkin rings came from Pier 1. I simply love how you have a little bit of the gold and the silver mixed together. It ties all the colors together perfectly. And we can't forget the showstopper. That beautiful artwork came from Ross, and I simply love it. It has the right amount of sparkle to it. And the chandelier I DIY'd myself, adding crystals that I picked up from Amazon. Those vases you see in the dining room came from Burlington too. I love Burlington, y'all. This concludes my dining room tour 2020. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification bell for updates. And until next time, bye-bye.